Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. It comes to us with it was like not heating and not pumping at all. So when I tested the machine, I found out like this heating element was burned, and that was like, I guess the water pump also not working. So I replaced both, and with the gaskets. These are the gaskets for us, and there is a big this thing, and this o-ring comes under the boiler also, between the boiler and the group head, and that looks like the machine was working for really long time without no water, and the pump was like pumping with no water, so it went out, and like the heating elements also get burned since it was working, and the boiler was like halfway empty. So I just replaced them, put back everything like the boiler after replace the gasket. So let's go ahead and test it after repair and make a espresso shot. Let me just show without. That works good. So let's make espresso shot on it. The machine actually also needs a tune-up, but the customer decided to do it himself. But it works. See that leak from here? This is because of that gasket needs to be replaced, and that comes with the tune-up. Let's test the steamer or the hot water first. That works good. And the steamer needs a little bit until it gets hot. So it works perfect and everything perfect, except that like tune up, this gasket needs to be replaced, and it needs to be clean, and the machine needs like kind of descaling and cleaning cycle. Thank you for watching.